Hey, welcome back guys. On this video unboxing the MacBook Pro. I'm sorry for the voiceover, but I didn't have a good audio, so I figured I'd add it on at a later time. So in here I picked up through Apple Store the MacBook Pro 15, the 2018, of course, the latest version. With the latest version, I got the 16 gigs of RAM and the 512 gig. I needed that storage. I didn't want to have to lug around anything else. I still feel 512 may not be enough, but otherwise it gets pretty expensive getting that. So it's such a beautiful machine. As you can see, the space gray is the way to go. I used to have the 2015 MacBook Pro 15, and definitely away from silver now. So I can't stop looking at this space gray. Now I'm not going to spend a lot of time going over what comes with the box. It's pretty basic. You get the Type-C cord. It's long. It's pretty long, so it's sufficient enough, and a big power brick. I wish they still had the extensions, but it doesn't come with it. And of course the stickers that comes inside the box and the manuals and etc. So nothing special besides that. They keep it really minimal. And you've probably seen a lot of videos out there going through their unboxing. I will point out a few ports, and I mean a few, not what I'm used to from my old one, is that you only get 4 Thunderbolts, 40 gigs per second, and it will power anything you need. However, I'm going to have to use some dongles, but if you want a docking station, I did a quick review from CalDigit docking station, which I will be using to connect to this guy. On top of that, you do get the headphone jack, which is great, but I'm using Bluetooth now, so it's not such a big deal. The seamless design, it's beautiful. I love the way this was going to from previous generations ago, and the way it looks. Super clean. Get the space gray, don't even get the silver, in my opinion. No more plastic in the back where the hinge are, just straight aluminum. Amazing. A lot lighter from the old one as well. The keyboard, not a problem. Great, decent keystroke. Not what I'm used to, but I was able to get used to this keyboard within at least 30 seconds when I started setting up email. No problem. The touch bar, I'm still getting used to, and what the other purposes or shortcuts I may be using it for. I do like the Touch ID. Be able to log in without having to type. The trackpad, the mouse pad, it's huge. It is bigger than my phone, and looking forward to using it. One thing I do miss that they take away, and I'm not sure if they did take it away, is a 3-finger drag. So if you guys know how to get that back, let me know. Otherwise, you've probably seen all the videos out there that talks about all this, performance. Go watch them. I'm just sharing my opinion on this guy, and looking forward to getting back into using a MacBook Pro. Again, thanks for everybody watching this video. If you guys like the video, please like it. If not, thumbs down and give me your feedback and what I can do better in the future. Thanks again. I thank you for all those subscribe as well. Take care, and I'll see you guys on the next one, which I will be doing an X1 Carbon review in the near future, hopefully soon. Alright, take care, and We love you.